Now, we've seen Jenna Coleman, of course, in Victoria, and there's another Doctor Who star who's got a major role. Who's this one?
Announced on the internet overnight, yes indeed, it's Karen Gillan. Now, they're rebooting Jumanji. Talk about Christmas favourites. I absolutely love this movie, 90s hit movie, starring Robin Williams, of course, being remade for 2017. The rock stars in the movie, and he's been announcing the cast online. Kevin Hart, Jack Black and Nick Jonas are all involved, but The Rock took to social media last night to announce the new star joining the lineup. It is the aforementioned Karen Gillan from Doctor Who, who's set to play Martha. And this is what he had to say. He said, "Ladies and gentlemen, I'm proud to announce a girl who's playing the most important role in our movie, the talented, beautiful and down for a Scottish fight at any time." I don't know what that means, a Glasgow kiss. Ms. Karen Gillan. So there you have it. Great news for Karen.
Brilliant for her,
and
isn't
all
it?
fans of Jumanji as well, getting a reboot.